Oh man, 25 seconds. Rebound or blood today, guys? Life is transitory, I agree. Here we go. 15 seconds. I don't even want to take it like a test. I'm glad I sold that on Friday. I even sold the AMC on Friday. I had a bad feeling. This whole 8 fest crap wasn't even making it feel better. Gonna be a crappy day. Look at AMC's pushing now. Here we go. Give me signs of direction. Usually we see a nice rip. Oh man. Is the pressure here? There is some selling pressure on the way down. And we should see a nice bounce. I don't want to see sub 30s today. That'd be painful. I'd love to see a rebound at $34. Back to the after hours on Friday in the next coming hours. Maybe in the next coming 30 minutes. Is that possible? I don't know, man. I think we're gonna hit a new low right now. Oh no. Tesla with the big green candle. I like to see that. I'd love to check out the Nasdaq right now. What's Bitcoin now? Let's take a look as well. Not bad for the Nasdaq right now. 32. What was the low last time, guys? 31, I think. 31.10. So really not 30s yet. Low 30s, I'd call that. Let's pull up Ortex. I'm curious. Yeah, Rob, the whole market is down today. What's going on, John? Bitcoin. 30. Wait, what? 30.7. All right, we're now nearing 30s. It's like AMC. It's right under 30, like right at 30, 30.6. Oh man, that's gonna be very interesting. I'm actually interested in buying if it comes down aggressively. Maybe under 28K. I know we bounced off a 28.7, I think last time. All right, there's a disgusting rebound on AMC from 31 to 32.80, almost a whole dollar. Nice. Actually, more than a dollar at this point. 92, 33. We need that 34 push, man. Let's go. That spy short would have been pretty nice, right? Apple as well. I don't like any of this at all. I mean, who really is buying the discounts? If I'm gonna be considering buying AMC again today, I'd probably want to see like sub 30, but I don't know if I'll see that. I think it'll actually rebound as well. We do hit like 30K. It'll be like Bitcoin. It'll start bouncing off 30. But right now for AMC, there really isn't a sign of direction if you just take away what happened pre-market. Obviously we're red, but if you just look at market open till now, it's just been bouncing 33.30 resistance and 31.85 support. So it's sideways for now. No clear sign of direction just yet. GameStop kind of the same thing. Maybe we'll get direction in the next coming minutes. Ortex, what are you saying? Ortex is saying 14.94% short interest. Return shares 4,000, borrowed shares 500,000. Let's go to Twitter, see what's trending. Monday motivation. People share their tips, quotes, and stories to motivate their Monday. Yeah, I think we need some of that, right? Microsoft is trending. Why? Biden administration blames China for massive Microsoft Exchange email hack. Discloses other cyber threats from Beijing. Bank of America. What did I have an alert on this for? Hmm. How's Microsoft this morning? Bloody? Oh, 277. How about Virgin Galactic? Still coming down or bouncing? Ooh, it went under 30. 27 this morning. Wow. Come on, AMC. 32. It's like every spike we have, man. Um, GE, what do I have it? Where are these alerts coming from? Did I ever even set an alert on General Electric? What? Possibly, man. Out of nowhere, these random alerts are getting triggered. Looks like there's some support here at 32. Don't break it. GameStop slow. 31.99. No support now, man. 31.81. So the low last time was 31.10. So 70 cents from here. I like these candles. We're seeing some nice demand here at the lows. Let's pull up the level 2. What do we see? 32. Not yet. So market's scared of the Rona. I think this is just a healthy pullback. That's what I think. But then if the 10 years are really low as well, so it doesn't nothing makes sense anymore. Usually with the really low yield, you see like the Nasdaq really pushing up aggressively. But right now we're like in correction territory. Pull this up on the daily. We're finally under EMA. We're talking about this last week that it was just riding EMA new high after new high after new high after new high, and then we're finally pulling back. So every single pullback we've seen here, it just we found support and then continued on higher. So that's the case. We should be holding like maybe 14.2, I'd say. Let me see, what are we doing? Oh man, new low. So I don't know if AMC is reacting to like the overall markets pulling back. Ooh, I'd probably say yeah. Before we would think that AMC and GameStop were kind of prone to that. They weren't susceptible to the market pulling back. But I guess right now we're seeing the truth. We're seeing the reality. I think it is affecting it. The whole entire market being red. Is there a delay on the stream, guys? Let me see. I think there is. Not really. But I think now we are seeing that effect kick in. Especially what we've been seeing on AMC lately. The whole over the weekend, you guys saw the A Fest. I think it got canceled, right? The GoFundMe. They raised like 200K and it was all refunded. The guy ended up being some like fraudulent. He had a fraudulent past, but he gave all the money back, so good for him. There's a lot of factors. The Rona, inflation, the market's overheated. Nice bounce, 31.42 low, 31.70 bounce. Let's go. Let's see on the 5 minute. Let's get a bounce back to 32.60. My only concern is how strong these bounces are going to be and how well they're going to hold. That's my only concern today. You know what are we doing? 10, almost 10% down. It's really interesting. Ortex really hasn't. We were at like what 19% SI and we're still at 14 on Ortex. Ortex has already been the data has already been questionable for quite some time. I haven't even pulled up Finto in like I don't know a month or two. Finto's probably like the worst one. There's that 32 bounce. Can we get 32.60? Like I said, my only concern is now for it to hold here, man. Don't come down or retest the lows, because if it does come down, it's gonna get ugly. Don't come down. Let's take a look. Spy, what are we doing with Spy? Spy still looking a little shaky here. Kind of near the lows. 426. Let's take a look at NASDAQ. Oh no, it's not looking good. Tesla probably coming down. Imagine if I wouldn't have sold this, I would have been holding a bag. I think last time we fell 620. 620 was the last time. When was this? July 11. I mean July 8, I'm sorry. I'll probably wait for 620. Let's set some alerts on this bad boy. At 620. So when at 624 for Tesla. What are we doing, AMC? Still seeing some resistance here at the EMA at 32. Right around 32.20. Like I said, holding support is going to be freaking key today, especially since we're near the lows. You do not want to see that come down under 30. There we go. Yeah, the banks are not pulling out to buy Doge. What's Doge at, by the way? It was at 13 cents on Friday, if I'm not mistaken. 17 right now. I think I'm way off. It was at 19, so we're kind of pulling back here at 17. Crazy to think this was at 70 cents on May 8th. What is AMC doing? Still battling 32 area. Not too bad. My only concern is holding, baby. Bounce, baby. Let's take a look at the TNS. Morning, sacks a lot. Today's probably gonna be one of those days where you just wanna close your broker and just go for a walk, go get some exercise. Okay, nice. It's trying to bounce here at 32. We need a bounce up here at 32.60. 32.60 is the bounce we need. Let's go back to NASDAQ really quick. I want to set an alert. Comes down under the lows of the day. Alert set. This is the one for SPY as well. Still battling. Just wait for it to unfold. Yeah, Kramer was on a little rant, huh? He was going on a rant on Twitter. I didn't get to see the other tweet. Let's see. Oh, 20 minutes ago he tweeted, "Amazing that the Reddit Wall Street bet apes seem to favor me today. I'm glad they understand the spirit I am attacking them with." What? I'm glad they understand the spirit I am attacking them with. Somebody replied, "I'm thankful to own GameStop instead of DD this morning, that's for sure." That's true. Yeah, it's a bad morning, man. It's but so far we're kind of holding here still. That's my only concern on days like today where things are really bad is it gonna get worse? That's the only like big risk about dip buying these is you don't know if this is just the beginning of a massacre or like a massive rug pull or if this is like the low of the day before reversal. That's the only risk. That's what you want to manage that risk, especially if you're day trading. You don't want a sizing too big and then you get destroyed. Like for AMC when we were at $38, like up here, or what was it? Was it 40 or 30? It was 38. Or down here 38. I was gonna buy at 36. I said I'm gonna wait for 36 because I have a feeling it's gonna come down. And knowing myself, I hopped in at 30 what? 38. I bought in way too fast and it came down to 36 and I'm just like I need to stick to my plan, man. Scary hopes, no hopes community, hopes of hedge funds. Oh man. Like I can't understand that mindset anymore. Like that's just so old. Like that. Oh, he got bought by a hedge fund. Like nobody got bought by a hedge fund. Nobody did. No YouTuber out there got bought out by a hedge fund. Trust me, they're not worrying about YouTubers right now. Morning, Nathan. See what else Kramer said. Mentioners are loving everything I am saying. New ways to use pickles. He talks about Facebook. The attacks on me show a desperation about apes and GameStop and AMC that are almost last gasp in nature. The blame falls on millennials according to these doofuses. Yeah, I can't read these tweets. Probably by Wednesday he's gonna be like buy AMC and hold, it's gonna go up. I said that about 3 weeks ago, Ralph, that if it would hit $32 a share, then I would just level off. Big boys think that's what it's worth. AMC that is. See what we have earnings this week. Yes, we do. We have, I believe, Twitter is this week. Thursday. It's not on here though. IBM, some other stocks I don't even know. 32, nice bounce. So we bounced literally almost off the lows, playing with fire. Now we're back above 32. It's gonna take some time. Can we hold 32? Give us 32.40. That's where the 5-minute EMA is at. That's like something you would say if a hedge fund just bought you out. They would not buy me out. Like I don't even have like millions and millions of views. Like it doesn't make any sense. If anybody was to be bought out, they'd probably be going after Adam Aaron. Still 31.99. Oh, we're still seeing resistance at EMA. So ever since this pullback under 32.56, 1 minute after market open, it's been kind of struggling to close above what? This blue line. Yeah, the whole mark has gone doo-doo. Tesla, not too bad. Nasdaq didn't even come down under our alert. So we should see a rebound here. Let's see a rebound. 32.40, 32.50 is what we're seeing right now for a small rebound. Let's go. Close above the blue line. Hold for 20 seconds, baby. That's what we got remaining on this candle. 15 seconds. Nice. I forgot about ILF. Up 4%. This one was like, what, 20 something? Not too long ago. 22.50. I'd be careful. Car was another one of those that hit $30, I believe, and is now down to 17. All right, there we go. We closed above the blue line. Not doing too bad. This could be worse. Virgin Galactic is still struggling to break 30. There's as I said that, it broke 30. 30.15. Is it gonna close above 30 though? Or are we gonna see a pull back to 29? Let's set an alert on this. I'm actually curious. Because I know we're gonna forget about this one later. I always get alerts at the gym. That's where I always get triggered. And then I have to put my phone down because I want to buy. And then it's just like trading on your phone is the stupidest thing you can ever do. Especially if you're trying to like day trade it. It's gonna ask you for your password and it's just annoying. What's going on, Gardenum? Ride is still tanking. Lordstown, $8. This was at 790. Yeah, this stock is massive poop on a stick. Right now we're seeing a massive, massive battle at $32. It still hasn't made a there still isn't a direction on AMC just yet, I would say. Compared to like other days, I mean, look at this last week. We went from 37 down to 35. Like this is not bad what we're seeing right here. I know we came down like 32 to 31, but it's not as aggressive. So I think we'll make a move. I don't know, either up to 33, 34, or we're gonna come down to 30. I don't know, and I don't think we'll trade sideways, in which we've been trading sideways now. 31.50 support, 32.30 resistance. Yeah, the VIX is like at $20. The VIX ramped up, but I think it's pulling back now. No, it just rebounded. Did the Nasdaq just sink or what? Yeah, the Nasdaq's coming back down slightly. The VIX hit 22. We were at what, $18 on Friday? For those of you that just got in here, Ortex is still showing 14.9, 14.85. So the short interest is actually negative. It was positive earlier. Return shares 756,000. Borrowed shares 729,000. Come on, AMC. Need you to hold 32. A battle of 3201. GameStop holding 164. SPY just came down. Set on alert. Sub 42. 424. Come on. No, seeing some pressure here. It's gonna make a move, man. This is like almost like a pennant forming right here. You guys see this? I think it's gonna make a move either up or down, baby. Come on. Higher lows, nice. That's a good sign. Higher low at 31.42, higher low at 31.50, and higher low at 31.60. If it can hold these higher support levels, that'd be great. Come on. It's not Tesla. That's not Tesla. Still at 629. We're still right in the middle of the trend channel I drew up on the 5-day. We need a clean break on consolidation. Now we need to hold support, man. Yeah, like you said, break on consolidation. Because look, every time we've broken out into like the high 30s, it's just come back right back down. So we're kind of still bouncing off 31. If that's the case, man, we should see 34 today, 35 maybe. But it might be a little too early to call support. Let's go. SPY is really coming down like that? Sure thing. Sell off. Apple just hit a new low. Oh, the Nasdaq just this is what I meant earlier by is this like gonna come down even lower? Is the rug gonna get pulled down even further? Is that affecting AMC? Slightly. Damn. I'm kind of surprised by Tesla, honestly. It's holding a little stronger than usual. Usually Tesla's like really lagging behind the Nasdaq. Yeah, that's what I said, Nathan. It's probably one of those days where you're just saying close the computer, the broker, and just go off for a walk or something. I guess yeah, it is affecting AMC. 3150s. All right, here we go. This is the triple bottom, guys. This is the triple bottom at 3150. I don't know if this is the move we were waiting for on the way up or down. Looks like on the downside, but let's see if we hold the support at 3150. If not, we might hit a new low. 3110 was the low last week. 3110. AMC is looking like Bitcoin right now. There's some support there. I can see it at 3150. Don't break. It's bouncing. Look at the can. Look at it. Oh, it was ticking from like 3150 to 3151, 3150, 3151, and then it cracked. I guess some stop losses went off there. 3135 with Ford. I'm not sure. Everything's pulling back. Dow plunges 600 points as continued spread of the Delta variant rattles investors. Is that really the case? Are people really spooked of the variant? It seems so. Oh man. So that's the next level of support, I would say, guys. 3110. 3110 was a low pre-market on Thursday. GameStop's following AMC back down. Look at the support there at 3120. There's some nice support there. It's getting ate up like nothing. Look at it drop. Holy crap. It just got ate up at 3120. Dip buyers coming through at 3120, pushing us up to 3130. We need a rebound. So I guess this was the move we were anticipating. Obviously, it was not the move we wanted. It came down, but so let's extend this to the right because this might be honored today. The little downtrend here might be honored. Just like we had higher lows here, we see lower lows. Nice rebound. 5 cents off the Thursday pre-market low. What's the heat map? I don't think you want to see this. This is what we're looking like for the heat map. Oh, Tesla looks like it's just gonna flush under 626 right now. The Dow Industrial Average is down 666. Not too bad. I'm gonna keep a close eye on Bitcoin. 30.5. It's coming down. Shout out to the Nasdaq. This whole entire stock market pullback is definitely isn't gonna bring down Bitcoin. Oh, if you just take a look at the chart here on Bitcoin, look, the market opened at 630 here. We're at 30.7. Now we're at 30.5. Even pre-market 31.2, and this was like the market pullback affecting Bitcoin. Something you'd see as an inflation hedge drop even on days where we get the CPI is really interesting to see. Like nothing is making sense at all. AMC playing with fire near the lows, man. We need a rebound, aggressive rebound. We need an aggressive rip to like 3220. The Bitcoin cliff, yeah. Bitcoin's been boring for so long. It's been at every time I've checked Bitcoin, it's been like at 34, 33, and it's never moved from there. It's like one of the slowest crackdowns we've seen. And finally, it's now like teetering in there. Another stock that's kind of back down to teetering is AMC near the lows, 5 cents off the pre-market low, 31.26. Look at the Bitcoin futures on here. Come on, AMC. You're playing with fire. Bounce. What's the heat map looking like? I feel like you're trolling me, Gilbert. I'll quickly show it. This is it. I feel like you guys are playing with me right now. What's going on, Chris? Good morning, Ralph. Good morning. I feel like I just ate a bunch of Arby's with Arby's sauce. That's my feeling when I look at the market right now. No, I think I'd rather look at this than eat Arby's, honestly, if I'm being real with you. The world is going crazy. Market's crashing. People are spreading massive foot panic selling. But for me, this is fine. Haven't sold. Yeah, honestly, Mike, you have some of like the strongest diamond hands. I'm gonna keep it real. Yeah, I know you've been holding for like what since January, or definitely since March. 'Cause I remember you've been holding for quite some time. AMC just bounced off the low of the day, 31.15. Very nice to see. What's going on? It's not my birthday, Phoenix. Yeah, Ben, it's bloody today. It's like one of those days, you just don't even want to open your broker. We bounced off the lows, nice. Can we hold this bounce? I blame 8 Fest for this crap. There was just so much craziness going on over the weekend. The stock market should just be closed right now. They should just close the stock market. Mike Tyson tweeted, which do you prefer, Bitcoin or Ethereum? Mike Tyson. 12,000 people replied. Of course Michael Saylor would be there. Michael Saylor was the first one to reply. Oh, come on. Come on, AMC. You guys think we bounce here? We hit a new low. It's so close to the lows. You don't understand. It's like 3 cents off the lows. I don't know how stop losses look like at 31 either, guys. That's the problem with these pullbacks like this. You don't know how aggressive they can get. And with us being 2 cents off the low, we need a strong bounce here. All right, new candle. Make this one the rip. Nice. Do we all think this is the start of a crash or a bear market? Bear, that's exactly what I mentioned earlier. Especially when you're trying to dip buy. You don't know if this is the low of the day or if this is like a situation where you buy the dip and it keeps on dipping. Like imagine the people who bought here at 425 on SPY thinking, oh, this is already, kind of oversold. We came off the 430s. But look at this. It keeps on pulling down new lows as we speak. 423.66. You don't know if this is the low of the day or it's just going to get uglier. But for now, it looks like it's a bottomless pit. Look at the 4-hour. That's pretty ugly. But if we just look back at every single pullback we've had under the 4-hour EMA, it was followed by what? A rebound. Higher lows. So if that's the case. Let's kind of, try to draw some technicals here. If that's the case, we should probably see like 420. 420, I would say a nice bounce at 420. Till then, it's a bottomless pit. 423. Let's set an alert. Why set alert that they don't even get triggered? Look at this. Tesla came under 624. My alert still stands. Uh-oh, AMC's about to crack. AMC's about to crack, man. I don't know. It's too delicate here for a 31.15. We need a massive rip. Where's that rip at? Come on. Huge tug of war right now. 25, 27, nice. 29, 30. What's the 5-minute EMA? Let's take a look. 31.98 is the 5-minute EMA. 31.98. Right under 32. Nice. There we go. Oh, man. Seeing red. I'd rather see green, man. Market Watch tweeted, panic like selling emerges early Monday as Dow gets 2% lower. Eyes sharpest sell-off in 2 months. Panic like selling. That triggers stop losses. And everybody runs to the exit. Robinhood should just shut down like the broker, allow nobody to sell. Nice. Oh my gosh. I really thought we were gonna come down under 31. There's that 31.50 bounce. Like I said, 5-minute EMA is looking at 31.93. That's what we're looking for. We still need to extend, man. This isn't enough. This little bounce here is not enough. We need to see like 31.80s. There we go. 31.57. You'd love to see it. 60. Now it just needs to hold, man. It needs to hold. Because every bounce we've had is just bloop, come back down. How about GameStop? Where was we at? 162? Mike is after White Claw right now. Let's see what's trending. I'd expect like market crash to be trending or something like that. Still, Monday motivation is trending. We need some of that. Motivate somebody in 4 words is trending. What do you guys think? Motivate someone in 4 words. Buy the effing dip. That's 4 words. 69 bounce. Nice. We're literally bouncing to the 5-minute EMA here on AMC. We're almost there. But we still have this little downtrend here we have here going on. So, is it going to honor that? GME to the moon. That's 4 words. Buy all the Doge. See, this is what doesn't make any sense. The 10-year treasury is literally at the lowest time since February. Lowest levels. 1.20% flat. Why is tech not bouncing? I think it just came in at the wrong time with the market being overheated. Robinhood will go down under its own. Robinhood IPO was valued at what, 30 billion? AMC 31.80. We literally tapped the 5-minute EMA here. There we go. Nice. You see this resistance trend line here? We need to break above that for sure. 85. Look at GameStop. There we go. GameStop following AMC like always. If that's the case, give us 165 GameStop. AMC looks like it wants to break past this trend line. The resistance. 91, 92. Give us 32 AMC. I don't see any wall there at 32. Not yet. All right, we're pulling back here. Oh, SPCE really did break past. It broke past 30, guys. It broke past 30. It actually held above 30, and it's now pushing at 31. AMC needs this right here. Uh-oh, Tesla's coming down. Oh, that's an old alert. I think we're swim, man. AMC needs to do that. Virgin Galactic did it. AMC could do it. Give us 33. We want 33. Still battling 32. Hmm. Let's pull up Vortex, refresh this bad boy. Short interest is now just down 1%. Actually, 0.01%. Here are the Vortex numbers. 756K returned and borrowed 746K, so 10K less. Uh-oh. Nasdaq's coming. It's coming down still. See, these bounces are just probably little sympathy bounces. Let's move this right here. Replace the alerto. Set an alert. Nasdaq futures. Tesla's still coming. 622. So we're nearly almost at 620, which was our pullback alert at 620, which was the first time we bounced off of that price level, which was July 8th. The previous 32 support flipped into resistance. Yeah. What are we doing? 32 was supports. Now it's kind of resistance, you know? Because we did bounce off of 32 last week. It was a nice little bounce, but right now that level is becoming resistance, which is not good, guys. It's not good. $621.76. The selling intensifies on Tesla. That 5 minute is looking pretty ugly. Apple's probably just sinking too near the lows. 41.90. Bitcoin is still 30.5, 621 for Tesla. AMC, what are we doing? Oh man, 3150 pullback. So you guys see this little trend line here? This is lower lows. Usually that's not a bullish sign. Higher lows is what you want to see. Lower lows or lower highs, I'm sorry. Lower highs is what we're experiencing right now. Plot this out really quick. Here, here, and here is what we're seeing for resistance. For support, obviously, 31.15 is where I'd see the support at, which is right near the low we saw last week on Thursday pre-market. But for now, time will tell us, baby. Oh man, it is hot here too. I'm melting. What's going on, Ragnar? Did you get an onion? No, man. Surprisingly, we did not eat an onion because last time we ate an onion, we was at what 360 for GameStop, and GameStop collapsed right after we ate the onion. So I think we need to eat an apple now or banana to reverse this madness. Ah, you're pretty good, Saxlot. Under, not even bad. 58. So we're probably gonna battle here for some support. Let's see. At 3150, let's go back to Tesla really quick. 621 bounce, not too bad. Uh-oh, Virgin Galactic, man, what a monster. I think this is the thing that's the only green stock right now, up 4%. Bruce expecting to bounce today. It's very we're seeing very small bounces, but every little bounce we get is just it gets eaten up really really quick. I don't know, man. We're in a tough situation or not. To be honest, what I see right now is this. You guys know what this is? I see a descending triangle. But if this is the case and if we hold 3150, we could at least see like a 33 bounce today, I would expect. Like right now we're not doing too bad. We're holding pretty well. But we're still seeing resistance on the 5 minute EMA. Look at the 5 minute EMA under still. I don't know. We're not seeing that strength yet. That strength has been kind of lacking today. We saw that strength come in last week though when we hit 3110, ramped up to 37, and the day ramped up as well. After hours we were even right under $40. But support has been a massive massive issue, and this whole distraction with the 8 Fest crap BS, the GoFundMe chat, dude, it doesn't help at all. Like that doesn't help at all. 40s. Uh-oh, Spy's literally playing with fire near the lows. Is it gonna hit a new low? Possibly. Oop, came down under. I missed the whole. Sorry, excuse me. The water was coming back up. Oh, the whole chat thing, right? With the lawyers and so this is a lawyer. I believe his name is like Wes Christian, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. And he was a lawyer, I believe, that helped take down like Overstock back in the day. And supposedly this Chad dude set up a GoFundMe, right? And the GoFundMe obviously was spread out by like these YouTubers and whatnot. And they raised up like $180,000 was raised. And they did a background check on this Chad guy, and supposedly he had obviously done some shady stuff in the past, and people were starting to feel kind of, about it, kind of suspect about it. A lot of people started requesting refunds, and the Chad dude ended up giving everybody a refund. So that's what happened. And what was kind of shady to me was that obviously you can have a limit. I think the limit when I first took a look was 100K, and then he started raising the limit on the GoFundMe. It was 150K, and then it was 200K. Doesn't make any sense. Looks like I think once he started to see like a lot of people were donating, he's like, oh, like people are falling for this. Like people are gullible. Let's raise the limit. So I thought it was pretty weird. At least he refunded everybody the money. Still a battle of 3150 resistance. I mean support for AMC. Is it gonna hold? Hmm. We're still seeing new lows as we speak here on SPY. 423.20. Like I said, 420 is probably like a decent support level I would expect SPY to pull back to. 420. AMC still battling, baby. It looks like it's gonna close green on this candle. Close green and then another retest, baby. Come on, let's go. It's gonna make a move, guys. As we inch closer on this triangle here, it's gonna have to either squeeze and push above to like $32 up to here, or unfortunately, it's gonna come down. I don't think we'll trade sideways. Ride came under 8 again. Lordstown 798. The barcode. Barcoding. And the 10-year continues to drop. Oh man, the Dow is still sinking down 800 points. Holy smokes. Look at this collapse. Jeez. A month, almost nearly a month worth of gains, gone. Come on, AMC. 3150 again, battling 3150 support. Should be looking at markets, not stocks. Markets will ruin AMC if they keep dying. Well, here's the market for you right now. Oh my gosh. At least Tesla's not Tesla's not falling as strong as I thought. Alrighty, come on. Let's take a look at Yahoo Finance, see what's trending on there. See what volume we have here on GameStop and AMC. Zoom is trending. I think they acquired 5.9 or something like that. Yeah, 5.9 deal for like 14.7 billion. So that's where they're trending, but they're down today. Nice AMC, nice, nice. 3160. Don't honor this trend line, just rip above. AMC volume as of right now is 24.9 million. GameStop volume, take a guess. Mine's gonna be 1.7 mil. Oh wow, 639K. Off by a million. Not at a million just yet. Nice rebound. We're seeing a nice recovery here on AMC, testing and breaking past that resistance one more time. Is this the recovery? So we were going to see a move either down or to $32, and I think we're going to see the 32 bounce here. Let's go again. Once again, testing EMA. We should see a rip above 3180 now. It's going to test it. Come on. There we go. 3180. GameStop with the massive green candle as well, following and reacting to AMC's candle. 91. So close. Come on. Oh man, we're climbing above. We're climbing above. 95, 95, 96, 7, 32. There it is. 06. Nice. Now we just need to hold, man. Just hold. That's the key gonna be. That's the key right now. Hold. Hold that support level. Oh boy. Beautiful. Yeah, the Dow's the big loser today. Nasdaq is even holding a little stronger than the Dow. What's going on, William? The Doge didn't do it. The Doge is not looking too solid, man. I mean, with Bitcoin being kind of toppy at 30K, I don't know. Bitcoin's at 30.6. So we were at 31.2 like 2 hours ago. Literally 2 hours ago at 5:20 in the morning here. And now we're at 30.6. Do you guys think Bitcoin cracks under 30K today? What do you guys think? And who's going to be buying? Let's take a look at Ortex. Nice. AMC continuing the extension. 32.20. Send us back to 33, baby. Man, if this was the low here, we literally double bottom, then bounce off the lows at 31.10. Nice. But of course, let's hope we close above 32 today. That'd be nice. Because usually AMC comes down like towards the end of the market close. It always does that. 32.44, lovely. The short interest is now in the positive. 0.20%. So they're borrowing more shares. 200,000 more shares. 32.40s, baby. Send us to 33. All right. The key support levels today, before we end the stream, if you guys enjoyed this, make sure you slap a like, subscribe if you are new. If you find any value, go live every single day, Monday through Friday, market open. Can you talk about the market, please? We're collapsing. I don't know what else to say, man. The market's pulling back. It's been overheated for quite some time. 2 weeks ago and last week, we're just seeing high after new high after new high. This is a healthy correction, in my opinion. I don't think this Delta variant, the Rona, is affecting it too much. I think it's just a healthy pullback. That's why I wasn't really a buyer at these highs. It just made no sense. Like, where are these new buyers coming in from? Oh, that's the end of January. We were seeing some nasty moves into the close and after hours. But that's something we've been missing. Hitting new lows and closing low after hours is a trend we've seen on AMC. New low into close, after hours poops. Low into close, after hours went to new lows. Like, that's the trend we've been seeing. But right now, we're having a nice bounce, and I would say this key support levels are definitely going to be, in my opinion, $32. And right now we're almost $1 above that support level. 32.80 keeps on rallying. Who knows how far we can go? $32 is the support level. This is the 8 fest pump. $32 Key crucial support level. We're barely an hour into the market open, so it might be early to call it. You know, AMC's like it could be bipolar as crap. It could go to 35 for all we know. It could come down to 30 for all we know. We don't know. 32 in my opinion is a key support level for AMC. Definitely today. And for the markets, I'm gonna set an alert just in case we start pulling back later. 420 I would say for SPY would be a reasonable pullback level. Nasdaq is holding a bit stronger today. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very surprised with Nasdaq. I mean, obviously, if you take a look from last weekend right now, it looks ugly, but market open till now, it's holding a bit stronger than if you just pull up the Dow, which is completely poop. Look at this, down 800 points. That's aggressive. This is an aggressive drop, but Nasdaq's holding a little stronger for now. Of course, we're barely an hour into the market open. Is this the bottom today, or are we in for another rug pull? Yeah, Rob's trolling today. He's on a good one today. He said he's going to 8 Fest. If I go to 8 Fest, I'll probably get jumped. All right, healthy pullback for AMC. 32.09 is the 5-minute EMA. Again, $32 is going to be very, very important today. Oh, man. All right, everybody. We're going to be back tomorrow. I'm going to plug in our free Discord. Come chat with us. If you enjoyed this, make sure you slap a like, subscribe if you're new, and I will